FYI guys, this is like 10% of the footage from the World Blue Ride, but it's most of the good mud. I've also got a ton of other footage of like drag racing and a good RMAX comparison and general comparison to the Pioneer. All kinds of good stuff to come, a lot more stuff. This is just the mudding. The Pioneer took a serious beating, no failures whatsoever, super happy with it. I hit every hole I could find as usual, and I did some nasty hill climbs at the end of the video for those of you that want to see how, you know, Grandpa's farm buggy climbs hills and rocks. Enjoy. I don't know how I made it because you're dragging pretty good. Nice! It's because my roll cage is hitting the side again. Let's engage four-wheel drive. Give her more beans. Holy shit! Can you believe that shit?
I seen you. Dang.
Look at that rut!
We're doing science.
Pulling you back. Pulling both of you back.
I'm dragging two machines backwards.
But you're moving.
I'm in park.
Oh God, why are you in park?
Science.
That tire ain't even touching. That one's just dragging.
I'm just charging the battery.
Yeah.
I got it. You can see your four-wheel drive kicking in. Oh! So close! So the little Pioneer 1000 got showed up right there, but it is on 27-inch tires with a lot less suspension down travel, so kind of to be expected.
Oh. She's moving. Hey, Christian.
Tires all airing them though. These holes are bad. Man, what happened to this thing? Who's been driving it? It's so fucked.
This is why we can't have nice things.
This is why we can't have nice things. Back up like a foot. Right there, wait. Real slow. Real slow. Straighten up. There you go. Hard driver. Was that so bad?
Yes.
You're so wide, don't matter. You can do that any way you want. That's just cheating. Good job.
Look at her. She's majestic.
Cruising on down like she's going down dirt road.
With all 7.3 inches of suspension travel.